Dear students, a hearty welcome to another episode of Mauritius, which we are discussing right now. So, in the previous class, we saw about how the people of Mauritius are, how friendly and welcoming they are, and how simple the ministry is, and how beautiful the Port Louis town is. And also we came to know about the travel facility in Mauritius. There is no railway, as we have discussed, and it is the road that connect the cities and small towns. Now we move on to the 10th paragraph. I note the trees here are so unlike the gigantic specimens I have seen in Andaman Islands. In Andaman Islands, there are a lot of gigantic trees. Big trees are there. Whereas in Mauritius, it is very difficult to find such kind of gigantic specimens of trees. Disappointingly enough, they are short and gnarled, even in the interior jungles, looking just like abnormally outgrown bonsai. Okay, now he tells the trees are just like they are very short. It is just like an abnormally outgrown bonsai, a little bigger bonsais. Okay, they are gnarled. Gnarled means they are not twisted together like that. Okay. These jungles have no tigers. There are no tigers in Mauritius, or lions, or elephants, or any kind of wildlife. It is hard to find any kind of wildlife in the jungles of Mauritius. There are not even poisonous snakes or insects. So there are not even poisonous snakes, or there are not even varieties of insects in Mauritius. The bat was the only mammal before man arrived on the island with the monkey and the deer centuries ago. So, man arrived in the island of Mauritius with a monkey and deer. So, before that, there was only bat as a mammal. There were no other mammals in Mauritius other than bats. These human beings who brought these monkeys and deer centuries ago. Unfortunately, the birds are dwindling in number and variety. There are not much varieties of birds there in Mauritius, and even the number of birds are diminishing. Okay, they are on the verge of extinct. The dodo is a kind of bird, a bird which could not fly. So now the description of the bird that could not fly and which certainly had no claims to beauty and elegance. So these dodo birds are not known for their beauty and nor famous for their elegance. They are simple creatures. Those were the only birds seen in Mauritius. Was the native of this island and mercifully is extinct now. Now the number of dodo birds also came down, and they are also slowly getting extinct from the island. And so are the giant tortoise of the Aldabra variety. So Aldabra variety tortoise are a kind of large kind of giant tortoises. So you see tortoise, this kind of tortoise, though very few in number, they are kept and they are preserved there in the island. So are the giant tortoise of Aldabra variety, of which a few specimens have been brought and kept in an enclosure in the botanical gardens of Pamplemousse. So you see a few specimens, a few tortoise of Aldabra variety could be seen in the botanical gardens of Pamplemousse. Pamplemousse is a place where you see where there is a botanical garden in which you see few specimens of this giant tortoise. Now, 11th paragraph. The people of Mauritius shudder to think of the night the king cyclone struck them. So the people of Mauritius, even when they think about the king cyclone itself, they shiver. Shudder means they out of fear they shudder. They uh, they shiver. Okay, because it was so devastating. On February 6th, 1975, a 320 kilometers broad howling wind moved in at some 255 kilometers per hour. So you see, such a giant cyclone, uh, which uh, which really struck this small island, and which made a lot of problems to the a lot of casualties to the island. The eye of the cyclone alone, I am told, was 48 kilometers. You see, the eye of the cyclone means the center of the cyclone itself was 48 kilometers. The eye of the cyclone alone, I am told, was 48 kilometers wide, and it churned the country for 2 days. It stirred the country for 2 days. So, for 2 days, it remained in the island of Mauritius, relentlessly flattening everything that stood. So everything that stood was flattened by the king cyclone, smashing windows and doors, tearing up rooftops, uprooting trees, and bringing them down on buildings. See, when the king cyclone struck Mauritius, all the trees were uprooted and were thrown to the top of the houses, and the rooftops were taken away, and the windows and doors were smashed, and even people get frightened of thinking about this king cyclone which struck them in the year 1975. Dear students, thus we come to the end of today's class. Here are a few photographs of the king cyclone that hit Mauritius. Okay, you see how devastating the cyclone was. All the buildings are collapsed. Now here you have the photograph of the original native of Mauritius, the dodo bird. Here you have a few pictures of the trees that you find in Mauritius. See, those are like bonsai trees, isn't it? Little grown bonsais. Okay, thanks for listening. Have a nice time.